Teleprompter.
How y'all doing? It's Mark Ohlmacher, guitar teacher here in Sandusky, Ohio. This is my email. If you want to get a hold of me for lessons or whatever, if you're in the area, go ahead and just email me and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Anyway, that was Symphony of Destruction. This is lesson number 2. I'm going to go over my favorite part and we're going to see what we can get through with that. Anyway, I'm going to play it on here, and then I'm going to play it for you slow, and then I'm going to try and explain it, and then play it up to speed. And that should be it for today's lesson anyway. Short, sweet, but very fast. Anyway, what this is involving is nothing but triads, and they're based off all arpeggios, and it's a lot of hammer-on and pull-offs. I'm going to play it for you slow, and we'll see where we're going to go from there. That's what it is, slow. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to start on the G string and you're going to come up there with the 3rd fret on the 12th fret. Just kind of slide up there, not a problem. And then you're going to go onto the B string and you're going to hit the 10th fret with the 1st finger. And then you're going to pull off from the 12th fret of that same string and you're going to land back on the 12th of the G string. But you're going to do this twice. And then you're going to go back to the 10th on the B string and go up to the 15th with your pinky and pull off back to the 10th, and then you're going to land on the 12th on the G. Do it twice. Then you can go down to the 14th with your pinky on the B string and land on the 10th, or I'm sorry, pull off to the 10th on the B and land on the G string on the 12th. So that whole thing goes like this. Now the next part of that, you're going to do the same exact thing almost. You're not going to worry about this note first. You're going to go straight up to the 12th fret of the high E string and you're going to pull off to the 10th. Then you're going to land on the B string on the 12th. Do it twice. Then you're going to take your pinky, go up to the 15th fret, pull off to the 10th on the high E, land on the 12th of the B, and you're going to do that again. And then go to the 14th and pull off to the 10th on the high E string and then land on the B string on the 12th. So what that whole thing is going to sound like is this. I'm going to play it real slow. And then you're going to come back onto the 12th on the B string, go to the 10th, pull off from the 15th again, land on the 12th of the B string, and then on the high E string on the 10th, and then you're going to slide up on the high E string onto your 19th fret with your pinky, and you're going to pull off to the 15th of that same string, land on the B string on the 17th, go back to the 15th on the high E string. Then you're going to take your pinky. Now you're going to slide up to the 22nd fret and pull off to the 19th on that high E string. And then you're going to land on the B string on, see, that'd be the 20th fret. Then you're going to land on the 19th of the G string. You're going to go back to the 20th on the B string. Then you're going to go back to the 19th on the G string. Slide down to the 16th on the G, and then take your pinky, you're going to go back to the 19th fret on the G string, and pull off to the 16th. Then you're going to go on the D string on the 17th fret. Then you're going to hit just kind of bar over there from that point, because you're going to go back up to the A string on the 17th. Then you're going to take your pinky, go on the 19th of the A string, go back down to the 17th of that same string, and to the 16th on that same string, and then back to the 17th on the A string, and then on the D string you're going to take your pinky on the 19th, and then. And that's the whole phrase. Anyway, I'm going to play it slow, the whole phrase, one time again, so that we all can see where it's going. And that's that whole phrase. That's one of my favorite parts out of that whole solo. When I first started learning that solo, that was the one that gave me the most problems. Anyway, I'm going to see what I can do here up to speed. And I'll go a little bit before it so I have a little time to get up there and turn everything on. And we'll see what we got. Okay, wrong section. Here we go again. Here we go. Anyway, that's it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. This is Mark Ohlmacher once again. Except students, that is my email. Go ahead and get a hold of me. That's it for this week. I'll come back on next week with another lesson.